Dr. Paul Lam, a family physician and Tai Chi expert, is a world leader in the field of Tai Chi for health improvement. Dr. Lam and his medical and Tai Chi colleagues have created a series of Tai Chi for health programs shown by medical studies to improve health and quality of life. His Tai Chi programs have improved health and wellness for millions of people worldwide.
Welcome to Tai Chi to help osteoporosis. I'm going to talk briefly about osteoporosis and then how Tai Chi can help osteoporosis. Then I'll teach you a few Tai Chi movements from my Tai Chi for Osteoporosis programs. Osteoporosis is a silent condition in the sense that most people have no symptom, no pain, no discomfort, no idea they have it. Often you find out that you have osteoporosis when you have a fall, a minor fall, ended up with fractures. One of my patients had it so bad, she reached out to grab something and fracture one of her ribs. Breaking a bone is painful, and it can change your quality of life forever. Osteoporosis is thinning of the bones. Bones are living tissues. Many things can affect it to cause osteoporosis. For example, menopause, lack of exercise, diet, and some medication can make the bone thinner. The good news is your doctor can find out exactly how strong your bones are by measuring the bone mineral density. This test will tell you and the doctor whether you are getting osteoporosis or already have it. And doctor can help prevent or treat the condition with the right diet, suitable exercise, and if necessary, there are good medication that can help this condition as well. A medical study conducted by Professor Rui Song and her colleagues involved two groups of older women with arthritis. One group practiced Tai Chi for 6 months, and the other group did a self-help educational program. The researchers test and compare the two groups before and after 6 months. They found the Tai Chi group have significantly higher level of the bone mineral density, stronger muscles around the knee, and less fear of falling. These findings are wonderful news for people with osteoporosis. Higher level of bone mineral density means the bones are stronger and less chance of getting osteoporosis. Falling is the major problem for people with osteoporosis. There's no other symptoms usually. Besides, fracture in a fall, you can also damage other parts of the body. Stronger muscles protect the joints and prevent falls, so especially muscle in the knee. Less fear of falling is important because many studies have shown the fear of falling leads to more falls. Many really good studies have shown Tai Chi to reduce the rate of falls by around 65%. What's more, Tai Chi comes with so many other health benefits. Over 500 medical studies showing that Tai Chi improves immunity, improve balance, reduce falls, relieve pains in arthritis, relieve stress, improve heart conditions, diabetes, reduce high blood pressure, almost all aspects of health. Improve immunity is especially important at the time of pandemic with the COVID virus. The immune system is the system that prevents and fights the germs, virus, and also against cancer. Tai Chi is an art and an exercise originating from ancient China. From the outside look, the movement looks gentle, graceful, appears to be effortless, but the flowing movements are like water in the river. Beneath that tranquil surface, there's a current with immense power, the power for healing and for inner strength and stronger bones. Suitable exercise can help people with osteoporosis to build muscle strength, to improve your fitness, your lung capacity, your health in general. And your health professional would advise you what is suitable. Tai Chi is one of the most suitable and enjoyable exercise for almost anybody. There are many different forms of Tai Chi. I work with Osteoporosis Australia and a team of medical and Tai Chi experts to create the Tai Chi for Osteoporosis program. It's designed to be safe, very easy to learn, and effective. All you have to do is follow the movements, and you will get the right exercise for the mind, the body, the bones naturally. And it will be an enjoyable exercise once you get used to the rhythm and the feel of Tai Chi. I'm going to teach you a few movements from the Tai Chi for Osteoporosis program. Please find a clear space, wear comfortable loose clothing and flat shoes. Join me to find out how easy and enjoyable Tai Chi can be. And do work well within your comfort zone. If you find you can stretch this far, it's totally okay to stretch well within what's comfortable to you, and visualize you are stretching as far as I do, and you will still get the benefit of the Tai Chi exercise. We'll start with 3 warm-up exercises, and that just get your body ready. Actually, they also follow Tai Chi principles, so you get Tai Chi benefit as well. The first thing you do is walk around and just make sure you loosen up and get your body a little warm up, and walk around for a couple of minutes. And then we're going to start with stretching from your neck down, standing up, shoulder width apart. Think you're standing up tall but not tense. Then slowly bring your hands up and do this very smoothly. Turn your palm, and then as you push your hands back, you gently let your chin go back very gently. And as you push forward gently, and as you bend down, slowly bend your neck. Remember to work within your comfort zones and visualize anything you cannot do. You can do this sitting down, visualize you standing up. And the second time, gentle, push out slowly and smoothly, and bend. And we're going to do everything 3 times. So this will be our 3rd time. Then we're going to stretch our spine. Bring your hands in front of you as though you're carrying a large beach ball in front of your body. Your hands away from your body. And then bring the bottom hand up. Push the left, your top hand down. Imagine the ceilings are falling down. We're going to gently hold it up with your elbows slightly bent. And then we're going to do the same thing. Bring your hands back to carry the ball. And then stretch your hands again. And when you stretch your hands, try to stretch your spine. Visualize you gently stretch your spine from within. Then you come back. And the second time, as you stretch, remember to gently stretch your spine. And as you bring your hands down, bend your knee just very slightly, well within your comfort zone. And stretch the other side, and you can gently standing up. And the third time, doesn't matter which side you started with, but if you like, starting on the left side is more traditional. Either way will work. Now we're going to the third warm-up exercise. We're going to warm up the hips. So we're going to get your toes out just a tiny little bit. And then bring your hands up slowly. And I'm going to do mirror image to you. Put your weight on the right. And then bring your left foot forward. Just a small step. And your hands back to balance. And then do the other way round. Your foot forward. Your foot back. One more time. Forward and back. And let's do the other side. Forward slightly. Do it well within your comfort zone. If you can stretch a little further, that is okay too. But make sure it's really well within your comfort zone. So give it a little shake. If you do this slowly, smoothly, standing upright, and when you bend down, make sure your body is upright. Then you are following Tai Chi principles, and then you're exercising the right muscles, and also allow your mind to be more tranquil. The next exercise I'm going to teach you is called the Commencement Form. We're going to start with our feet close together. It doesn't have to be very close. Anywhere that's comfortable will be fine. And then standing upright but not tense. Then separate your feet to roughly shoulder width apart. So take your left foot. And then we're going to just gently bring your hands up with your palm face each other. Slowly, slowly. And then when it's reached about the height of your chest, bring your hands back towards you with finger pointing up. Still leave a space here and bend your knee just a little bit. Let's do that one more time. Separate your feet. Bring your hands up slowly, smoothly. Then bend your knee at the same time. Bring your hand in front of your chest. So if you can, finger pointing up. If you're not comfortable, this is fine, as long as your palms facing each other. And about the width of your heads. And allow your joints to be comfortable, not tense. Let's do a third time. Separate. Up. So that is the commencement form. You start the Tai Chi from being mindful, calm, then you separate into a stable base, and then you're getting ready to do the next movement, which is open and close. When you close, your hands are the width of your head. When you open, your hands are the width of your shoulder. And it's good to do it with your breathing. When you open, imagine this is a balloon. When you open, you blow air into it. So you breathe in air into the balloon. When you close, you breathe out and push together. Now, it's good to put a bit more to it. First of all, you do this accurately in the right position with the right breathing. And then when you get used to that, the next thing is, I want you to imagine there's a magnetic force between the center of your palm. And when you open, imagine that gentle magnetic force is stopping you, so you have to pull gently, gently. And then when you close, you push gently, gently against that resistance. And then when you get comfortable with this gentle resistance, I'd like you to add a breathing exercise into it. Breathing is so important. A breath is life. Breathing right gives you more internal energy, gives you more lung space. So to breathe right involves the whole body. First, your body's upright. Even when you bend, you're still upright. Don't hunch, because that limits your lung space. And then, if you breathe with your lower abdomen, there will be abdominal breathing that open up more lung space. So what you want to do, when you breathe in, I'll get you to put one hand below your belly button, one hand above the belly button. And when you breathe, try not to move the top hand, and gently, gently expand. Like this balloon, there's a gentle expansion as you breathe in. And when you breathe out, I'd like you to contract or pull that closer together. And try not to move the top hand as much as you can, so it's not like a big breath, but more like a gentle little breath inside in your mind. Expand and contract. And to help you to do the contraction, if you just think of the pelvic floor muscle here, or the muscles around the anus, if you just gently contract it as though you are lifting it up a tiny, tiny little bit, and that would bring a natural contraction. So let's do that breathing again. Breathe in, gently, gently expand. Breathe out, gently, gently contract. At the same time, keeping your body upright and your body comfortable, not tense. And if you are uncomfortable bending your knee, you can always stand up. So let's do that open and close with this special breathing method, which I call it the Dantian Breathing method. The Dantian is the center of your body. It's also the storage house of the internal energy called Qi. But you don't have to know that. Just think of this as a little balloon that it expands and contracts. And what it does is actually activate the diaphragmatic muscle and make your lung breathe in the diaphragmatic way, so open up the lung space. And also it connected to the parasympathetic system to help you to relax and think more clear. Just a simple breathing method can really help you to feel better. So remember, breathing in is expand the balloon. Breathing out is gently contract the pelvic floor muscle. And let's do the open close from the beginning. Separate. Bring your hands up. Bend your knees slightly if you can. Then breathe in. Just make sure the movement are right and gentle. Then the second one, let's do the magnetic force. Gently pull against and gently push against that magnetic force. And the third one, let's think of that Dantian breathing. Open, expand the balloon, just very gently. Close, gentle, contract the pelvic floor muscle. And then you stretch your hands forward, reverse the direction. As your hands goes down, you slowly stand up. And bring your foot together. So you have done 3 movements. Commencement form, open close, and closing forms. And there's a few more movements in the Tai Chi for osteoporosis, but do this for a little while. Remember, you can do it sitting down, do the breathing sitting down, visualizing body upright, breathing in and out, with or without moving the hands. But you can do the whole thing anywhere. And then gradually, you'll find it does something very slowly, subtly. You feel a little calmer, especially when you get upset or stressed. You start doing. And then you feel you can breathe better because you activate the diaphragmatic breathing, so open up the lung space. And it's such an enjoyable exercise. And you'll find as you do more, there's more within those exercises. And of course, feel free to do more and take my Tai Chi for Osteoporosis program or any Tai Chi that your health professional support. Talk to them first to make sure it's a suitable one for your condition. Let's do last time with me from beginning. Cleanse your mind, check your posture, body upright but not tense. Then shift weight, separate your feet, hands up, trying to do everything as it flows without stopping, but slowly and smoothly. Open, close, and pulling gently against the magnetic force. And the Dantian breathing. And the closing movement. And now we've done the exercise, trying to do 3 or 6 times. Any time is fine. You can do it once, twice. It's good to do a cooling down exercise so to allow your joints to relax and also to keep the stretching, the benefit you have. So the cooling down exercise is just gently touch your thigh. About 3 times each side. Then if you breathe in and gently hold your hands and tense well within your comfort zone and let go. Breathe out. Do that 3 times. And let go. No rush. Do it within your comfort zone. And the last one, last cooling down, let's do it the same as the beginning. A gentle stretch. And come back. And a gentle stretch. Breathing out as you go. Breathing in as you come in. Anytime you feel uncomfortable with your breathing, just forget your breathing. Your body will take over and it will set everything right. Tai Chi is derived from nature, so remember, do this very naturally and comfortably. And a little shake. I hope you enjoy Tai Chi, and I hope you take care of the osteoporosis and find you even have better quality of life with Tai Chi exercise.